Does your line set need to be protected? A common question asked that is often ignored in the HVAC industry. Let's take a minute and discuss the importance of line set protection. Hi, I'm Brian with Fire and Ice. We have installed thousands of air conditioners, heat pumps, and ductless mini splits over the years. Time and time again, we see the same thing when removing the old outdoor units, old, worn out, damaged line sets. We began to ask ourselves, is there a way to protect these lines from everyday wear and tear? We have found an affordable, easy to install system that will solve this problem with an aesthetically pleasing solution that will protect your investment for the life of the product. In this video, we'll discuss what is line set protection, why do I need line set protection, who is line set protection good for, how much does it cost? A positive seal line set protection is made from UV resistant materials that consists of two parts, an airtight seal where the line set meets the home and a sheath that wraps around the line set's insulation and piping. This system provides a seal keeping your home watertight, pest-free, and protects the line from any damage from the elements, pests, and any lawn care accidents. A line set is the materials used to guide, protect, and insulate an air conditioner's refrigerant line. These materials include copper tubing, wiring, and insulation. When the refrigerant line is exposed, it can become damaged, causing coolant to leak, the unit to lose efficiency, ultimately lead to higher energy bills, and not to mention they can be quite the eyesore. Here in Central Ohio, an unprotected line set can be exposed to several things that can cause damage to the refrigerant line running into your house. Inclement weather, rain, snow, wind, sleet, and ice, dogs and other small animals, or anything that likes to chew or get tangled in the line, weed eaters and other lawn care devices. A positive seal line set protection system is specifically designed to protect your system and increase efficiency.
And see what happened to that foam over the years? It disintegrated and created a big gap. They get in there and they crawl up the chase and get into your attic, roaches, rodents, different kinds of animals. It's a pretty dangerous situation, and that's the main reason why I use and see the importance of the AirX system.
A positive seal line set protection is ideal for individuals looking to install a new air conditioner or heat pump and wish to prolong the efficiency of their air conditioner, protect their investment, and have an aesthetically pleasing system attached to their home. Now you might be saying, but I'm not ready to purchase a new air conditioner. Can I install line set protection on my current air conditioner? The simple answer is no. From our experience, adding line set protection to an already installed system would be more cost prohibitive than beneficial. Now, you might be saying, this system sounds great, but how much does it cost? Here's the best part. We aren't charging for installation of line set protection with any new installation. Most HVAC contractors ignore the problems that can occur with line sets and don't consider adding line set protection to their installation process. Here at Fire and Ice, we want to do things right for our customers. We saw a problem and this is the solution. But rather than hold it over your head with an additional cost, it will be installed automatically when you replace or install a compatible unit. If you'd like to learn more about line sets or other installation practices, click the link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, feel free to hit subscribe and click the bell icon to get notifications every time we upload a new video. Thank you for watching, and we are looking forward to making your day even better.